used to move like a river flows. Now every step feels like a stone. The words we say don't sound the same. They fall apart, they call my name. Broken lines between our hearts, drawing worlds that fall apart. I try to hold, but you slip through. Broken lines between me and you. We built a home on fragile ground, and now the cracks are breaking down. Every promise fades with time, every silence cuts the line. Oh, I reach for you, but you're not there. Only shadows in the air. Love was strong, but walls were weak. Now all that's left are words we can't speak. Broken lines between our hearts, drawing worlds that fall apart. I try to hold, but you slip through. Broken lines between me and you. Fire, it lost its flame. If love was truth, it lost its name. We're standing close, but miles away, and I don't know what else to say. Still a part of me believes that broken things can learn to breathe. But every road I try to find leads me back to broken lines. Oh, broken lines, they cut so deep. Memories I can't keep. I try to mend, but it won't do. Broken lines between me and you. Broken lines between our hearts.